Mango season is here and we wish that we could eat mangoes throughout the year. Yes, you guessed it correct. I will tell you today how to store mangoes for at least 3 to 4 months into refrigerator so we can use later in the month of July, August or September to make it mango lassi or mango milkshake. Hello guys, today I'll tell you how to store mangoes. I have washed mangoes thoroughly and I have dried them. Wipe it with napkin or cloth. We will store these mangoes into this Ziploc bags. Let's start. This is how we will begin. Remove this part. Now just make a small cut and you can pull like this. We have peeled off mangoes. These are Alphonso mangoes. Now we will cut them into big chunks to put it in the Ziploc bag. Let's begin. Mangoes are now cut ready. We have cut this Alphonso mangoes into big chunks. Now we will take a Ziploc bag. Your hand should be absolutely clean and dry. I am not touching them by hand. We will start putting in the Ziploc bag. No moisture should be there in the Ziploc bag. Now the bag is almost full. We will clean this part and now we will close the Ziploc. We will close almost 75% of the Ziploc and then we will try and remove air out of the Ziploc bag. Now it's completely sealed. As you can see, it looks like a vacuum packing. Now our second Ziploc bag also is ready. We will start pressing from one end. Press till 75% of the bag. Then try and remove the air from the bag and seal it properly. It's now completely sealed. Our 2 packets are now ready to go into the refrigerator. Put it into the deep refrigerator. You can use this Alphonso frozen mango pieces for 3 to 4 months to make mango lassi and mango milkshake. Friends, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe on my YouTube channel Falguni Vidwans. Thank you.